Oh, that's sick. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you enjoyed the last video. Putting the Christmas tree up on top of the Jeep has definitely been an attention getter. It seems like people have never seen a lit up Christmas tree on top of a car, so I don't know. Today we have a quick install. So I actually came across these latches on Amazon, so I reached out to the company called Agency6. So the guys over there at Agency6 are absolutely awesome, and they hooked me up with a set of these hardtop, you know, hinges or locks or whatever you want to call them, and I think you guys are really gonna like this one. So let's go ahead, get the Jeep pulled around and get these things installed. Alright, so here's the box, and these are what they look like. So these are for the JL, and they also have some for the JK. The difference between the JL and the JK, apparently, which I didn't know this, but on the JL there's actually 6 of these locks, 2 in the back for each panel and then 1 in the front, as well as like the one that's behind the visor, the clip. But for the JK there's only 4, so don't think that if you order these that you're gonna be getting 6. That's only for the JL. Make sure if you have a JK to order for the JK, otherwise you're gonna end up with 2 spare locks. So one of the other cool things is they come in all these different colors, and these are billet aluminum, so you can get them anodized black, blue, green, silver, orange, or red. And I went with the red just because everything on the inside, including my dash now, is red, so I wanted to match everything on the inside. But I have seen the green, and the green matches the Mojito very well. So not only did they send this over, they threw this in a box as well, so I'm just assuming these are a bunch of stickers in here. This is the company, Agency6. Looks like they gave me a bunch of stickers here, square ones, and this is, oh, it's a keychain. That's pretty sweet. So I guess they have keychains there too. Thank you guys so much for that. So let's go ahead and dive right into it and get into the meat and potatoes of this video, which you guys came here to see. Oh, that's sick. Check out how bad these are. So I just want to say this packaging is some of the best packaging that I've seen. I mean, not only are they taking care with, you know, putting all the foam on top, but this foam is actually specifically cut for each one of these pieces, so you know you're not missing anything. But on the front, I mean, look at that packaging. Even, I mean, I didn't really talk much about this, but this is nice. You see exactly what you're getting. On this side here it says JK, JL, and it's checked, and then they check what color that you ordered. Fantastic job at packaging these. Oh yeah, they got some weight to them. These are definitely billet aluminum. Agency6 branded. Wow, this red is actually really nice. I wonder how close this is to the red dash. Oh yeah. So if you guys want to know what these look like, it is very, almost perfect match to the Rubicon red dash. That's awesome. They did a killer job on this anodized red. I mean, now that I've seen the red, I want to see what the other colors look in person, because if they all look this good, I will be very impressed. But this matches that dash almost perfectly. These are the small details that nobody thinks of, but these are dope. Alright, so simple enough. We should just take these up front here, and we'll match them up with their corresponding you know, parts here. So this one is going to match up over here, and this front one here, the L shape the other way, that one is going to match up on the back center one. So make sure you match up which one is going where. Barely see anything in here with the tint. Let's roll these windows down. Much better. Alright, so you can just use the T40 that is inside the Jeep kit to remove and install the new one. And just like that, we have one installed. Just gotta do 5 more and we're good to go. So this is a good comparison. This is right in front of, like, these are the most forward center latches that we have, and you can see, I mean, the black looks nice and all, looks factory, but then you see these and you're just like, yeah, that looks awesome. The grab handle here, you can pull from there. They seem to be just a little bit thinner. That's not a huge difference, but it does seem to be a little bit thinner on this one. But you can see how much better that looks than just the factory one. Alright, so here are the two right next to each other. Factory, obviously. It's actually plastic. You can see on the inside there's nothing, you know, molded plastic. Billet aluminum on this, and you can just feel how much heavier it is. It's metal all the way through. I do like that the handle is all the way through. Makes it look a little bit lighter, a little bit more kind of like techy or aggressive, I guess you'd say. You can get them in all these different colors. So if you want to match your Jeep, they can match your Jeep. If you want to match the interior like I'm doing, you can get the red, or if you're doing a different color interior, you just want to, you know, kind of make it look, you know, factory, but have the nice locks, you can get black, and they look really good. I mean, I can't get over how well these locks are made. And I mean, you know, it's just one of those things that, like, when you feel it, it just feels right. Like the right heft just feels like it's made right. And just like that, we finished the install. The lighting isn't all that great in here, but you can see that the red matches the red that's on the dash, kind of has that anodized feeling. Overall, I would give these a 10 out of 10. Heavy duty billet aluminum construction. You can get them anodized any color you want. They have them for both the JK and the JL. The install is super easy because you can use the tools that Jeep has provided for you in your little toolbox. You just need the T40, and it shouldn't take you more than 10 minutes to do this. So the guys over at Agency 6 were generous enough to give me a promo code to share with you guys. So if you go to their website and you use the promo code BENANTON, all one word, all lowercase, you guys will get 10% off. So if you're looking for these hardtop locks, make sure to head over to Agency 6, and they have other 4x4 products as well. I highly recommend these locks. I think they look absolutely awesome. They lock the hardtop down tight, and again, you can get them in any color. You can get them for JK or JL. So again, a huge thank you to Agency 6 for sending these out for me to do a review on them. I think you guys killed it. Keep up the great work. And for everybody else, thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for watching this install. Again, if this is something you guys want, head over to agency6.com to get your own set of hardtop locks. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Again, we're climbing our way to 5,000 subscribers to give away that JK Blackout Grill. We just hit 3,500 last night, so thank you guys so much for that. Thanks again for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next one.